everyone, you all are welcome on my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to teach you problem related with profit and loss. So we have one question. When an article is sold for rupees 23, the selling price of article is rupees 23. When an article is sold for rupees 23 means selling price of the article, SP of the article is 23. There is a profit of 15%. If selling price is 23, then how much he got profit? 15%. In number 1, what we have to find out? What is the cost price? We have to find out CP. Selling price is given, profit percent is given. What is the cost price? We have to find out CP. So in number 2, at what price must it be sold to make profit 10%? So at what price he have to sell to make 10% profit? Okay, let's start. Okay, when an article is sold for rupees 23 means selling price of the article is 23. SP is equal to rupees 23, and after this profit is equal to 15%. Profit is equal to 15%. In number 1, what is the cost price? We have to find out CP. What is the formula of CP? Cost price. CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. SP is equal to 23 into 100 by 100 plus 15. Profit percent is equal to 15%, so 15 we have to write 2300, and here when you add this we get 115 is equal to rupees 23,000 divided by 115, we get rupees 20. Okay, then cost price CP is equal to rupees 20. Again, according to question in number 2, at what price must it to be sold? We have to find out selling price to make a profit 10%. To make profit 10%, at what price he have to sell that article? Again, CP is same, cost price 20, he have to make profit 10% only. Profit is equal to 10%. At what price he have to sell means SP we have to find out. So what is the formula of SP? CP 100 plus profit percent by 100. Formula I was already uploaded on previous episode, so you can watch that video related with formula of profit and loss. Now put the value. CP is equal to 20, 100 plus profit percent is equal to 10%, so 10 by 100. 2 5s are 10. When you add this to, we get 110 by 5 is equal to rupees 22. 110 divided by 5 is 22. He have to sell that article at rupees 22 to get 10% profit. Okay.